In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all letters to uppercase in Microsoft Word. Changing the case of text in Word is a quick and easy way to standardize the formatting of your document. Whether you want to make headings stand out, emphasize certain sections, or correct inconsistent capitalization, Word provides a simple tool to convert text to uppercase instantly. To begin, open your Word document and select the text you want to change. You can highlight a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even the entire document depending on your needs. Once your text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the font group, you'll see an icon labeled Change Case, which looks like a small uppercase and lowercase a together. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with several options for changing text case. These options include sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. To convert your text to uppercase, simply select uppercase from the drop-down menu. Word will instantly change all the selected letters to capital letters. This action applies to the highlighted text only, leaving the rest of your document unchanged. Another convenient way to change text to uppercase is by using a keyboard shortcut. Select the text and press Shift plus F3. Pressing this combination repeatedly will toggle through lowercase, uppercase, and capitalized case options, allowing you to quickly find the format you want. Using the Change Case feature is especially helpful when working with headings, titles, or sections that require uniform capitalization. It saves time compared to manually retyping the text in uppercase and ensures consistency throughout your document. By mastering this simple tool, you can easily adjust text formatting in Microsoft Word and make your documents look polished and professional without extra effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.